Is this our first van life night in an absolute snowstorm? Walmart parking lot again, but oh my gosh, you guys. It is just coming down. Tonight I'm just going to be sleeping with my thermal sleeping bag. It is about -9 Celsius tonight, and I'm just gonna do it with no heat. Or at least that has been the plan. We'll see what happens. Just grabbing A&W. And oh boy, it is quite the storm out there. Look at that coming down. How Canadian. Oh, Canada. Just parked back at Walmart. Gonna have some A&W and watch the snowstorm for a bit. There is so much snow coming down. My goodness. Look how pretty the architecture is in this town. It's rather picturesque, don't you think? I'm just parked outside of a Keystorm, the Thomas Fuller building. I believe this is like City Hall and the Rob Thompson hotels. So the reason why I was outside of the hotel is because, ta-da! Tonight we're not staying outside in the snowstorm. I have this gorgeous hotel to myself. Basically, my friend had a photography boudoir session that she booked out this hotel for earlier today. What a gorgeous space. And this is going to be my little micro home for the evening. I've never seen a hotel that has like a 2-story floor. So cute. And this is the bedroom upstairs, like, as if this is gonna be my home. I can't wait to go have a shower and jump into this California king bed. Like, what? What a nice little surprise on a snowy, blizzarding night. This lighting is great. So this is the bathroom. I'm gonna have a shower in this gorgeous shower here. And then there's a house couch. And I think it's gonna be a great night. What about you? Well, I just had a nice warm shower, and I think it's now time to go lay down in bed for a bit. Oops, didn't put on any underwear. Good morning, guys. I slept like an actual baby last night until it was only when like the snow removal trucks were coming around that it was pretty loud in here. But this bed has got so much space in here for activities. Well, you guys, good morning. It is about 10:30 in the morning and I need to be out of this place. Checkout is at 11. So I guess it's time to get ready and get out of this place. Absolutely still blizzarding out. Still snowy. There's been plows coming and going all day long. You know, I am definitely going to miss this bathroom. Back to the van. All right, checkout time by Rob Thompson. All right, I am officially out of there. I brought some boiling water with me in my A&W cup. I'm going to make some coffee with that, and let's head out on a little snowy adventure, shall we? Wow, I am absolutely not vibing with how much snow we have now. Crazy, from nothing to this. Well, this is the winter Christmas that I have been asking for. Not much visibility out there, hey? Hey guys, so I've just been sitting here working at Centene Park here in Brockville, working on some YouTube videos. I checked out of the hotel at 11 a.m. or about 1:45, and it is 3:45 p.m. now. I just recorded and filmed and posted a video for my other channel, made a thumbnail and all that good stuff, and it is getting very cold. The sun is about to go down, but when I arrived here, it was so cloudy and murky you couldn't see anything, and now you can see all the way straight across the river again. So it was definitely a very snowstormy kind of morning. It is getting very cold though, like I said. It's -5 right now. It's supposed to be getting down to -10 Celsius. We are down here at Centene Park on the St. Lawrence River in Brockville, Ontario. We'll see what happens.